Hey everyone, it is me, Omega Mud. Today we are unboxing this Matchbox Mercedes-Benz 220 SE sedan with red, white, gray, black stripe, and more. With 4 out of 6. And there's a Mercedes-Benz trademark and Hella trademark. And there's a Mercedes logo on the top. And okay, let's unbox this car. The code says S18, that's the code. Let's review this. One, we have gray grille, driver side with 220 logo, rear pan to side with black wheels, and the roof. And the roof. And that is cool, and that is a good looking car. Okay, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.